Hello, I'm preparing ricotta gnocchi with extra virgin olive oil and chamomile flowers. For the preparation, mix the ricotta, incorporating the flour, the grana cheese, the egg, and the salt. Until you obtain a fairly soft dough. Using a pastry bag or with the help of 2 soup spoons, immerse the regular shapes into previously salted boiling water for 2-3 minutes until they float to the surface. For the sauce, sauté the chamomile flowers in extra virgin olive oil and then pan-fry the gnocchi once they are cooked. While visiting the botanical garden of the Pernigo farm, I was struck by the intense scent of chamomile. In composing this dish, I associate its romanticism with the sweetness of the ricotta and the spicy note of the extra virgin olive oil.